Okay, so what I want to do is show you the difference between the paragraph styles and the character styles. So in here, I already have some of these styles set up. So I'm just going to quickly apply them just so you can see them in action. And then we're going to apply a character style. So we're going to look at din headline pink, din headline pink, din headline pink. And now we're going to go into the body, which is this one. And you see how easy this is just to apply. I'm just going to click on this and change them. And there we go. But what I want is I want sometimes the text to be blue or bold. Let's just even do bold. You can do that. So let's just take one of these. I'm going to select in here, and I'm going to change this to from regular to black. And I'm going to change the color to be 100%. And now I'm going to go into my character style, and I'm going to add a new character style. And you may say, what's the difference between a paragraph and a character style? Well, a character style is going to work literally on the characters and not the overall paragraph. This, I could select one word and make it bold, and you can see one word is bold. Right? If I wanted the whole paragraph bold, I could select the whole paragraph, but this is being used just for the individual characters. Now you may say, okay, what is that really kind of good for? It's good for a lot of things. I can set up empty characters, which is just like some colors. So for example, I'm going to set up a new character style, Option or Alt, and hit the plus sign. And I'm going to call this, I don't know, let's just call this orange color. Okay. And from my, I'm not going to do anything except for character color. And I'm going to change this to this like orangey peachy color. And I'm going to do okay. You may say, okay, well, what is that good for? Well, if I have something like this, let's say, and I want to create these bullet points, but I want them to be colored, the only way to do it is to have a character style sheet. So let's go ahead and just show you how easy this can be. So let's go into our paragraph styles, and we're going to do ingredients. And I'm going to choose this, and it's going to be, I believe it's this, Avenir Light. There we go. I'm going to click this, and it's going to be ingredients again, and then I'm going to select this, and it's going to be numbers. So you can see I've styled these now, but I want this to now be colored, right? I want these to have this kind of peach color. So all I have to do is select this, go up to where I have my bullets, hold down the Alt or Option, click on it, and you see where it says character style. I'm going to select orange and do okay. And there it's just changed it. It's the only way for you to give style to those bullets or any other things. The same way that I could go in here and say, I just want to make this. Yeah, where'd that go? I want to make this, that, maybe it's inside the style group. Yeah, there it is. Orange color. There we go. And so now you can see it's the orange color because that's what I selected in there, and that's what it does. So that's a little bit of character styles. They're very useful. Pair that up with paragraph styles, and InDesign takes on a whole new level, and it's pretty amazing.